Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Murano key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, which is essential for carefully prying open the key fob casing without causing damage. Next, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. This is the specific type needed for your key fob. Finally, find a clean, well-lit area to work, ensuring you don't lose any small parts during the process. Now let's get your key fob open. Look closely at the side of your key fob. You'll find a small, narrow slot. This is where your flathead screwdriver comes in handy. Carefully insert the tip of the screwdriver into this slot. Once it's securely in place, gently twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Take your time to avoid forcing it. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This helps ensure you install the new one correctly. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Once it's out, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the slot, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Almost done. Now carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure they fit together perfectly, then gently press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click. This sound confirms that the casing is securely closed and your new battery is protected. Finally, test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle. And hey, for more great deals and to check out that Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.